Here we go.
This match may not be for the titles, Billy, but with...
Oh, shit.
Hello.
Is he gone? Is he gone?
No.
Oh, right. He's off. Get on him!
I understand the logic here, Billy, but challenging Jack Jester and Sha Samuels to a street fight.
We're taking off already. Simon, we didn't think it would take long, but we thought it might be taking a little longer than this. They're already battling over by the bar. We're going to do our best to keep up with the action for us, our man from ICW On Demand, Adam Carell. Look at this!
Sha Samuels, and again, I do have to question the logic of this, Billy. Hometown advantage aside, street fight is very much the territory of Sha Samuels and Jack Jester, two of the hardest hitting, toughest men in ICW history. Again, this is a very, very pro-Marauder crowd. Not something you see a lot of here in ICW. Almost the second you cross that border into Wales, the entire dynamic shifts.
The Marauders just become something different too. Proud Welshmen, of course. The Newport Nightmare and the Boar of War. We've now got Sha Samuels outside. Oh! I don't know what that liquid was that went on it. I've seen Jurassic Park. I don't know if that's some type of goth juice.
Sha Samuels now taking it to the Wild Boar.
I think they're going outside, Simon.
Well, they didn't want a street fight.
Well, this is going to be uglier than Rob Brydon's balls. Let's get this happening. Oh, we're going to be taking a trip outside.
It's an image that will stay with you.
What? Who are those people having cigarettes? Who are those people? Use them as a weapon.
Let's get...
Put your camera away! Who is this photographer? He's about as much use as a sodium dildo.
Wow, that's an image that will stay with you.
Fizzy! All right, we're going to do our best. We're going to try and keep the signal. Looks like it's going.
Hold.
Oh, he's getting a party up.
Where is Sha going?
Sha! Sha!
Sha, we know you love a gift, but this isn't the way to do it.
He's going for the brick top moonsault!
Oh my God! It's hard to tell from that angle. Everyone is wiped out, but it looks like that might have done as much damage to Sha Samuels as everyone else.
I think our security team must be mostly dead. Not really real people anyway. Sha Samuels somehow back on his feet. Honestly, it's like your dad after a big hog roast. A quick libation and he's back on his feet. Good for you.
It's like giving spinach to Popeye, Billy.
His liver is actually taking out a restraining order against him. Did you know that?
He doesn't adhere to it, though.
It's a horrible statement, fails. Oh, now they're coming back in.
They're fighting back in the building. You know what, Billy? Again, the Marauders, titles may not be on the line, but they really cannot afford a loss heading into the biggest defense of their run.
No, they cannot, and it was due to an assist by the Marauders. The Polo promotion suffered a loss. Oh, he lost his foot in there, but he did manage to improvise from it. And by that definition, they're going out, they're having this street fight. The chances of them getting injured going into that match. If you are less than 100% going up against Polo promotions who are training night and day.
But again, Billy, we have heard word that the Polo promotion is not here today. Jackie Polo potentially suffering an injury at the hands of the Marauders last night.
We are going to get you an update as soon as we can. They're now coming back into the building. But as we said, it's kind of changed after inviting them out of an ICW ring, out of the ICW ring onto the streets of Cardiff. I get the feeling that Wild Boar might be regretting that.
Again,
that is a bin. We do hope it's not a sanitary bin. We're told it's not. Oh, I don't think he really cares, to be honest.
Again, Billy, look at this. These people, as tough as the Marauders are, you don't challenge Jack Jester to get extreme. That is disgusting.
Jack Jester, ICW's hardcore icon, the devil's favourite dirty.
And this could be over. And the Kinky Party, it has to be said, doing an excellent job of isolating the team here. They're really coming together as a tag team unit in this contest, Billy.
Okay, off ropes. Now, it is that tag team chemistry that we're finally seeing coming into play with this team of the Kinky Party. Kinky Party. Whoa! Double elbow right to the chest. Board does not look happy. Here comes the White Devil. Ah! Sorry.
And Mike Bird sent flying to the outside.
All I saw was a white ginger flash. Oh. To the guardrail. Reversal. And Jester tried to catch himself, but he couldn't stop the momentum. Went straight over.
May actually have accidentally done himself more damage there. And Shah Samuels continued to go to work on the Wild Boar in the front row.
Jack Jester frequently torturing himself, as comfortable with a cuddle as he is, well, with a, no, not dirty cuddle. You know what I mean?
No, I would like you to go into a 3-point presentation.
Oh, right, certainly. Right, well, I'll take it first of all. He calls a dirty cuddle.
Oh, wait, sorry, Bill, I have to interrupt you. Bird gonna fly.
Do you know something? It's been a while since we saw the Birdman take to the sky here in ICW.
And just like that, he may have turned the complexion of this match back in the favour of the Marauders.
Not in Cardiff. It's not going to happen tonight. Said Bird and Boar earlier on today. But we've got to wonder, where is the alpha male? Oh.
He is conspicuous by his absence, Billy.
My Bird just smashed off there.
We have received some word that there was word from ICW management that Yeston Reese was banned from tonight's show.
Well, after exerting himself into one of the encounters last night, he had not signed a contract. He was not meant to be on an ICW ring. Big cactus elbow.
But yeah, look at the toll that's taken just on the hip and the leg of Jester.
He doesn't care. He doesn't care, and it's not a cliche. We've seen it. I actually think Jack Jester feeds into the pain. Actually uses it almost as a weapon to energize himself.
You know, we talk all the time about the fun and games, the camaraderie there is between Shah Samuels and Jack Jester. But at the end of the day, they're two very accomplished competitors in that ring.
And you've got this wild creature, a wild boar, trying to cave in the chest, the head.
Wild boar, just like a monster under your bed, just evil.
Oh!
Just wiping out Jack Jester.
Couldn't tell if that was meant to be a drop kick, whatever it was a cannonball.
Even look at the eyes of Boar, bloodshot red. Just intense.
Huge elbow throw. He might not be the tallest man in the contest. He is one of the most vicious competitors ever in an ICW ring, and a British ring.
And again, the Marauders, it's hard to argue about it. They have been arguably the most dominant tag team champions ICW has ever had. They have taken on all comers, and frankly, no one has been able to touch them.
Well, you know something, you think of the legacy, the destiny of Polo Promotions. The tag team division here in ICW is heating up in the Kinky Party. Very much want to be in the frame of that. And they are finally gelling as a tag team.
I firmly believe if these two men can get on the same page consistently, leave the shenanigans outside the ring, if they can get on the same page and work, they could be the best tag team that the division has to offer. But that is a very big if.
Well, you've got a big brawler, certainly, in Shah Samuels. There ain't no bones about it. He might be happy brawling in the streets of London. He might be known as the Camden Crippler, the one-man riot. Call him what you will, but the big man can wrestle when he wants to. And Jack Jester, Jack Jester seems to have reawoken something within Shah Samuels, perhaps we've never seen since the days of, well, his initial battles with Grado back in the day.
Mike Bird seemed to regain himself. See in the background there, he seems to have neutralized Jack Jester.
Jester has been taken out.
And once again, the Marauders evening the odds and just sending Shah Samuels tumbling into those chairs.
Taking out the big man. Now it looks like they're going to focus on the former heavyweight champion. Oh, just think of the STDs in that. I actually think there's a very real chance that Mike Boar might now be pregnant. On the merchandise table, Robin will be pissed.
Sorry, I mean, watching.
It's a shame. And it's always. Now finally getting back into the ring, because that's what it comes down to at the end of the day, ladies and gentlemen. This is a wrestling contest.
Absolutely, this match has to end in the middle of that squared circle.
My Bird's getting fired up. Look at him. Look at him. Like a ginger angry crow. Kaka! Oh! Watch this! Oh!
the elevation that Boar gets with that move, and this is when we see them really become truly dangerous, Billy.
Look at that. Beautiful suplex, taking his man straight over.
When the Marauders get this momentum going, there is yet to be a team.
Crank hammer, nails it.
Not CCK, not Mustache Mountain, not War Machine, not Polar Promotions. No one has been able to stop them when they get on this roll.
And there are many people, certainly, that believe that Polo Promotions may be marching towards something they don't expect. The confidence of the challengers could be smashed by the most physically opposing tag team champions. Oh!
And Billy, you have to wonder if this happens to Polo Promotions on November 19th.
It's over.